How to find the product of two binomials using the FOIL method. FOIL method stands for first term, O for outer term, I for inner term, and L is for the last term. Okay, so we have here x plus 2 times x plus 3. Okay, so step 1 is letter F or the first term. Okay, so first term, x and x. Okay, so x times x, that is x square. And the next is outer. Both outer ng ating binomials. That is x and 3. So x times 3, simply, that is positive 3x. Kapag nag-multiply tayo ng variable and a number, so magdidikit lang sila. And then next is the inner. Okay, so yung parehas na inner ng ating binomials. Okay, so that is 2 and that is x. So 2 times x, that is positive 2x. And then last term. Okay, so asan yung last term ng both binomial? That is positive 2 and then positive 3. Positive 2 times positive 3, that is positive 6.